Every night, a quiet magic-filled color city as glowing orbs slowly floated down from the dark sky. They painted houses, flowers, and lakes with bright colors, making everything shine until morning.
Look, the light orbs are coming. Each one has a different color. They are so beautiful.
Can you name the 4 colors of the light orbs you see? Yellow, green, red, and blue. But tonight, something strange happened as the orbs began to fall. A thick, swirling gray fog rose from the ground and swallowed every bit of their light.
What's happening? Where are they going? The lights, they're gone.
In the pale morning light, the whole city looked faded and lifeless. Mayor Dot, the wise old hedgehog, gathered everyone in the square to share the bad news.
The light orbs that bring us colors have been taken. Without them, our city will lose its spirit.
I can find them. Where should I start?
Mayor Dot handed Toti a bright, detailed map that showed where each missing orb had fallen. Every place looked far away and mysterious, but Toti's eyes shone with determination.
The red one is in the Red Volcano, the blue in the sky clouds, the yellow in the sunflower fields, and the green in the Root Labyrinth.
I will find them all.
Toti's first stop was the Red Volcano, a place that was supposed to glow with warmth and light. But now, cold winds whistled through the rocks, and shadows covered every corner.
Without fireflies, it's so dark here. We need to wake them up.
Toti's first stop was the Red Volcano, a place that was supposed to glow with warmth and light. But now, cold winds whistled through the rocks, and shadows covered every corner.
Hey, are you looking for our red orb?
Yes, it's the heart of our city.
The fireflies gathered close, glowing brighter and brighter until a warm red light filled the air. From the glow, the red orb appeared, shining like a little sun in Toti's hands.
Thank you, friends.
Protect your colors!
What color is the volcano's orb? Red! Toti climbed higher and higher until he reached the land of blue clouds, a place usually filled with dancing skies. But now, the clouds hung heavy and gray, moving slowly in the wind.
The blue orb must be here.
Without it, we can't do our rain dance.
Toti held the cloudfish's fins and twirled with them through the air. Little by little, tiny sparks of blue began to swirl around them, lighting up the sky once again.
It's coming!
What do clouds give us when it rains? Water! With a sudden flash, the blue orb appeared, glowing softly like a drop of ocean. The clouds became bright and fluffy, drifting happily through the clear blue sky.
Remember us, Toti!
I will.
Toti reached the sunflower fields, where golden flowers usually turn toward the sun. But now they stood closed and silent, their heads heavy under the cloudy sky.
We have to wake them up.
Toti sang a joyful tune, and the sound carried over the fields like a warm breeze. One by one, the flowers began to lift their heads and smile in the sunlight.
Our yellow orb is in the mud.
Toti dug through the soft, wet earth until his fingers touched something warm. Pulling it free, he held the yellow orb high, and the fields glowed like liquid gold.
One more color complete.
Which big star in the sky is yellow and gives us heat? The sun! The final stop was the Root Labyrinth, where massive twisting roots formed dark, winding tunnels underground. The air was warm and earthy, but it was easy to get lost.
It's easy to get lost here.
Deep inside the labyrinth, Toti found a small green leaf spirit, its glow faint and trembling. It looked up at him with sad eyes, clutching something hidden in its tiny hands.
Sad. The fog took our green orb. I hid it.
Don't worry. We will return it.
The leaf spirit slowly opened its hands to reveal the green orb, bright and full of life. As soon as Toti took it, the roots lit up with a fresh, glowing green light.
Now I have them all.
Toti ran as fast as he could, clutching the 4 glowing orbs in his bag. The sight of Color City in the distance filled him with excitement and pride.
Wonderful. To the ceremony.
Standing in the city square, Toti tossed each orb high into the air. They burst open one by one, spilling streams of color that rained down over the streets.
Welcome back, colors.
Which color is your favorite? Say it out loud. Great choice. The houses turned bright, the lakes shimmered, and flowers bloomed in every corner. Laughter and music filled the air as the city's heart began to beat again.
Our city is back.
We owe it to you, Toti.
From that day on, the people of Color City promised to protect their magical orbs. They knew that together, they could keep the city bright and full of life forever.
We will keep them safe forever.